Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to a new video. And today,
Sorry about that noise.
that was this guy.
Hey, don't refer me.
Okay, don't worry. So today we got a new iPad, and yeah, let's open it. So we're gonna go this way, and then we're gonna. Yeah, I just got this at Costco.
Sorry, I'm a bit bad at camera.
I know. My cousin.
Ooh.
Okay, we peel that part off. Now we're gonna peel the next part off. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Open. Successfully. I think we need to. Don't show him. Wow.
Whoa.
Damn.
Russian packaging.
Rushing packaging. How do you open this? How the hell do you open this?
There's a stop out right there.
Oh. Look at that. It was actually sick.
Look.
We're gonna keep that here. So keep that here. Oh, stop showing me. Oh wait, look. That's the camera thing. Okay, let's keep going. Designed by Apple in California.
I didn't show them.
Oh,
I was bad at camera.
okay. Let me just show that. Designed by Apple in California. Can you guys see it?
No, we can't. It's okay.
Sorry about all that noise. Here you got our USB
Plug.
and here
Is it charged?
is this charger, which is a iPhone 15 charger, and that's actually it.
Damn. Very.
Oh, wait, can I peel this off?
Yes.
Look quieto. Look
Sorry about that. Don't really care.
Look quieto. Can I peel this off? Can I peel it?
Let him. He knows.
Atla kaal, atla pinchen.
No, you're supposed to. Freak you, Ray!
Amma, you're on YouTube.
Why?
No, I am.
Yes. She just ripped it.
Your
Mom just ripped it. Oh, I just ripped it. Okay,
Yeah,
let's
my
keep
mom.
going. Wow, oh my god. Sick.
Look at that. It's better than the iPad I'm recording on.
Let's try it. Turn it on.
You.
It turned on, guys.
Oh.
Turned on. Newest iPad. Not newest. Right? Is it newest?
I don't know.
And it's the 10th generation.
10th generation, yeah.
I have a Windows 11.
Who
Oh,
cares?
I have a Windows computer.
Oh, yeah, you have a computer. Oh, guys, look at it.
Who? Wait, he can't see it.
You guys see it?
Is that your background?
Now we're gonna start recording on this. The swipe.
11 from
84%. The swipe. English.
Oh my.
Wait,
gosh.
Atta, I'm setting it up. Okay, United States. Okay, let's check. Quick start. Bring your current phone or Apple News.
Hey, you know password that is Ahmad Mare?
No, it's my Apple ID.
You know the password?
I don't know my Apple ID.
Mare
password.
okay.
We'll do it later, right?
No, ippude cheddam.
Do I just?
నీకు తెలుసా how to?
Do I have to bring that one close?
Back
Guys,
కొట్టు.
really don't care about that until I'm gonna show him.
US కొట్టు.
He's like on his phone.
Bring your current iPad to nearest to sign.
Okay, guys, we have to stop recording.
Sorry, bye.
Bye, guys.
Say bye.
I'll help
Say
you.
bye.